Sweet.
Cute.
I see a moose.
That was cool.
I was wondering if the moose was from Dad Loves
Christmas
Moose.
moose.
Yeah. There's your moose. There's your moose. There's your moose. And it's like,
Oh. If you give a moose a muffin.
What?
No way.
Oh, look, there's the one you're talking about right there.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. This is him. I'm getting this, Mom.
Let's see.
Hey, Brandon. Hey, Brandon. Brandon. Hey. Cool, thank you.
That's good.
You have lots of reading
Lots
material.
of new